Mema Ubi Akaba ever GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A police officer be a chief inspector, a station war, a Asimfosu, Wakasa, the president, and I read Akufo Addo. Now, what the answer to that, no, and a police phone, a Ghana police service. When I interdicted our police or a chief inspector. Now, me the details in a Bremo. Now, answer and something in a bebano, Mr. Say, so we now subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. What the Albean say, over click it, the subscribe button, Now, what barely notification, We understand video for be ever upload, Also, once ever can be. I feel we are now like video, on my thumbs up for the video. Now, fee was share, now, or for so, a maybe now, one share. Afi yonko similar. Ghana police service and I wanted a year what they post to be able to wanted to say police be a war a sinful suit or misconducting on and into why wanna interdicting. Now a viral video be a chief inspector a station or a sinful suit or a chief inspector a friend of a Benjamin Do Kuono in the central region. Now video what they took down there some what they might the president I watch say will pursue share the president now the Kwaku Addo one-on-one no actually say or you incompetent. Now was say or man was also use the word criminals that and ya as a pitwa. Now you be video no YouTube before a post here you share a video need and some years our chief inspector edit to our police force to say or misconducting on and wana interdicting. Now yinti a year and some year police ni edit to their video no nanimu enshada mak clear or share video na nanimu enshada nya clear sa na so yenti ensema ye inspector edit to their no any other colleagues from ye ensa na woni gina ho na wo kasa asem no na yenti.
Mr. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, I salute you, Mr. Excellency or His Excellency. Please, I am a chief inspector of police. Benjamin Do Kuonu at Asimfosu. I am living in a constituency which was ruled by my brother, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, for more than 20 years. Mr. President, I want to meet you because I have a discussion. We are saying, Mr. President, you are destroying our nation. Mr. President, you have destroyed our nation and as part of your administration as a police officer, I want to meet you one-on-one to tell you in your face that you are really incompetent and you are not managing the state resources in the interest of the nation. You have destroyed all the pillars of the states, the state pillars. You have captured the states, and what pains me is that our generals, our commissioners, our judges, our military officers, please, nobody says you should go and take gun, but let our voices be heard because we are public servants. We are serving the nation. These criminals have destroyed the nation. We have to put them on their feet because we have a role to play, we have a child to keep. Is it not the president who said that we must be citizens but not spectators? Is he the one who promised nation building? Is he not the one who pray with us that he will come and protect the public purse? Mr. President, what happened? You have taken everything from the state and handed them over to your cronies, your friends, your family, your affiliates. But we will tell you, because you are human, you can make mistake. You are making serious mistake. You are destroying your people. You are destroying the nation. You are destroying every state institution. You are destroying the factories. Are you businessmen at all? That anytime we send it to the market, you go there with a car. You call yourself businessmen. I am a police officer. I want to meet you and tell you that you are disappointment, Mr. President, and your apprentice, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. Please, When you get this video, share it, because I want to get involved in building our motherland. What do you say?
Thank you, sir.
What do you say?
That is good talk.
Mr. President, I've been seeing you.
All right, my compatriots, when you get this video, I am only saying that I want to meet the president as part of the executive to teach him how to govern, how to rule in the interest of the nation, because he doesn't have the ideas. Even though I am a young man, there's a proverb in my home language that ansana yabewo akolanya sanino na openyini kosiampeni jimini abuafunu biti hodada. Thank you.
When and some of your police editor na uzuze ebibo kase no credit na waka na uzuze waka ni ye said the wadwe no aya na dia to aye comment box ni na aye nsemu ye papa editor a waka kire say Akufo Addo aye incompetent one ni nkrofo no chese one wie sika one disika sa nsemu ye na ma aye police for no aye Ghana police service ede post abatu bia wo one page ni so a one kire say police ni or misconduct no and wana interdict no Ghana police service interdict an officer for unprofessional conduct. The Ghana police service has interdicted a police chief inspector Benjamin Dokuonu stationed in the central region for misconducting himself in a video which has been cited by the Ghana police administration. This is to allow a thorough investigation into his conduct in line of the police service regulation. As a police officer, now to us, we would like to reiterate our assurance to the general public that the police service will continue to ensure that professionalism is maintained at all times in the discharge of our mandate. Now, we hear a commenter, a Ghana Funubim, and some Chief Inspector Editor obviously he spoke the bitter truth. We have friend Eric Dallison. He spoke the bitter truth. The president is destroying this country and must be told in the face to sit up. Yes, I agree that as a police officer he must not do politics, but he is also facing the hardship like everybody else. Also that's what they to drive the order. Obi say Obi boy IGP abaso I say I salute IGP the good work you are doing for Mother Ghana. Obi say in all fairness, numerous statements issued on interdiction, the outcomes are not published, which puts into question the integrity of the Ghana Police Service. We have friend on Nelson who don't say this man is suffering, so he has to speak out. Either you interdict him or not, he is ready on retirement road. I say maybe commenting bina we say Ghana Police Service, what constitute threat? We say alcohol confuse his brain. You devo we dey ensema ababetubia said the wadwen ya wo police near or to some money Akufo Addo what say o memo dey na we copy the say manu anya dia wo hu so no ya branch go bit ma chere say the bu o man police officer dey say bebre na atubia said the wadwen kire wo no the wadwen e wo comment box na say we just subscribe you so a me say we subscribe na wa like na fi wa share video no we will mean in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.